Hello everyone, welcome to the session. In this session, we are going to understand SAP TM EWM integration process without ASR, without advanced shipping and receiving process. Very simple point. Whenever we talk about without advanced shipping and receiving, then this process PSHU, okay, plant shipper handling unit instructions, which sends the TM system to EWM system to be communicated, because the applications, packaging, planning, everything comes from the transport management side. We pack the handling unit, boxes we create, okay, or the packaging material type, everything, or we create here in the EWM system. So that's why I mentioned here. Planning comes from the transport management. Okay, packaging into comes from the TM, warehouse order based on the PSHU. So whenever the warehouse order would be created for picking process, for outbound delivery process from the EWM side, pick pack stage, then what happens actually? So the warehouse order would be created based on this template, PSHU instruction, okay, blueprint, template, planning template, I can say, okay. So here, simple. So here we have TM system, ERP system, ERP layer, EWM system. We are working on the embedded side, S/4HANA embedded side. So very simple. From SAP TM side, freight unit would be created, which is simple, which is the handling unit in EWM. Okay. So first this is our delivery process. First we create sales order, ERP layer side. Okay, we create the sales order. So then the instruction command will go to the TM system. We create here freight unit, okay, which is the handling unit, the type of material, volume, okay, a lots of properties will be there, okay. So we plan the transportation, freight orders. Whenever the freight order would be created via delivery, okay, propose outbound delivery. So in the EWM system or layer, outbound delivery order would be created, //EWM PRDO. Perform the pick pack stage. Packing. Okay, packing we perform here in the EWM side based on the plant shipper handling unit, which instruction come from the TM side, because both systems, price systems communicate together. Okay, in the S/4HANA side. So send the loading instructions. Send comes from the TM side to the, it reaches to the EWM layer, plant shipper handling unit instruction, and TU creations automatically or manually we can create here. But when we talk about the ASR, we don't have this process. Okay, these two processes. Why? I will tell you. Why we don't have TU creations automatically, manually? We can create automatically through post processing framework. We can create manually. We can link this TU which we create here to the considerable TU to the outbound delivery. We can link this to the outbound delivery because we are performing the outbound delivery example. So here in this situation, we don't have this process here when we talk about the ASR. But this is without ASR, that's why I am explaining this process here. Because ASR works based on the freight orders, freight units. Okay, those are the major pillars we have in the advanced shipping and receiving process. That's why we call this as an advanced shipping and advanced. That's why. Because we don't have TU creation automatically, manually. So we have the visibility, not TU centric. We have the visibility not specific based on the TU. We have the visibility based on the freight order, freight units, and obviously automatically we can track, we can see transportable unit, we plan here, okay. So all the planning, what we have to pack, what would be the transportable unit or vehicle will be planned from TM. Instruction would be passed through the ERP layer to EWM layer. Here we load, here we pick pack stage, here we perform the loading, everything we perform here. So we send the goods to the customer. So I noted 2 points here. Due to transportation unit creation automatically XML file, plant shipper handling unit, this process, integrated process becomes without advanced shipping and receiving. So in the ASR, we don't have this. We have freight order, freight unit laser, because I can say like a global visibility to entire process, not only TU based on TU, no, entire process. So that's why when we use the ASR, we have visibility entire globally side, okay, not EU specific. We have the in ASR advanced shipping and receiving, we do not have EU integrated, and therefore ASR we call advanced process. So ASR pillar. Here I mentioned advanced shipping and receiving pillars, freight order and freight units. Okay, freight orders. We have this is the outbound delivery flow, outbound delivery orders, sales order will be created. How the three system communicates? Data flow like this. It starts from ERP layer, it reaches to EM layer, then it will reach again to ERP layer, then fourth it goes to the EWM, then fifth step will go product will reach to the customer. So this is the backbone actually. ERP layer, ERP system is the backbone. Okay, for the embedded EWM, embedded TM or EWM TM integration. Thank you very much, guys. If you're looking for training, supports, project supports, trainings, suggestions, consultations, okay, guidance, please get back to me. Thank you very much. See you on the screen.